Welcome to the live stream of the Zebit platform. We'll wait for a couple of minutes so that people will join in, then we can start our live stream. Okay. Yesterday was the best day where I can explain you actually the liquidity concept. Okay, but let's have more people and then I will explain because yesterday something went wrong. The whole trade went wrong. I will explain that situation. Let's just be moving to the live stream. Okay, let's get started. So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the live stream of the ZBit platform. Thank you so much for joining in. For all these people who are coming from so long time, thank you so much for being a part of this live stream for so long time. But I would love to request you to help us reach out to more and more people as well. So for that, please do not forget to share this channel to maximum people out there so that we can help a lot of people to understand what we are offering to all of you people and how you can make use of it. Plus, you can achieve a financial freedom in this world right now, which has been very necessary. Like I really feel this one thing, that achieving a financial freedom in this world has become a very necessary step. Everything, wherever you want to do, whatever you want to do, whatever you wherever you want to go, uh, play, not play, you want to do your wishes, not complete your dream, anything you want to step outside the house, you will require to have some money in your wallet so that you can survive, so that you can live in this world right now. In such competitive world where money has become in the topmost priority of having anything, like your happiness, your peace, your sadness, your anger, every emotion requires something to pay. So for that thing, having a financial freedom is very necessary, because right now the world is going forward to collect generational wealth rather than having just the surviving money and just living their life in a normal. Okay, it has become in that kind of situation. For that, we are capable of every, it's like some people think like, my time has gone, I cannot do it anymore, this is the situation is are different and blah, but no. Financial freedom can achieve at whatever age, financial freedom can achieve at whatever time, financial freedom can achieve at whatever moment you want to have it. It's just adding one element which can add up a passive income of source. Now that passive income of source can be anything. Nobody's telling you to do follow a specific thing or something. Financial freedom can be anything, like adding just an element of a passive income where whatever you are earning primary, just add a secondary to it. That's all. It will help you to live your life a little at ease. That financial freedom can come from various way, but the most easiest and most like effortless, where you don't have to put too much of effort, where you don't have to go for like hours and hours of wasting your time doing something and then you getting paid. No, and going to that one place, specific place, go to that point and do something and then get paid. No, trading is one of those platform where you can access through wherever you are if you are having an internet connection, and which everybody is having. Like before, we used to turn off the net, the wi-fi, and then we used to sleep, but now it is just on. The net is on, the wi-fi is on all the time, 24/7. A computer, a phone is attached to a network internet. So in that life, everywhere you go will have an internet. Okay, and trading requires, that's it, that one thing, that you need to have an internet connectivity and a knowledge regarding trading, obviously. Okay, that is out of a question. Like whatever you want to achieve in your life, you have to have some knowledge regarding that. Either it can be your exam, your job, your life, your lessons, your anything, whatever you want to do in your life, you have to have some basic to advanced level knowledge in that, so that you can achieve a success in that concept, in that topic, in that subject, in that part of your life. Okay, now obviously one thing is very easy for a trading, that trading requires no like place, like you have to have a office, you have to have this, you have to, no, you just have to have a device and internet connectivity. Now you can do it from wherever you want. If you are at a job, you can do it. If you are just sitting at home, you can do it from there. If you're traveling somewhere, you can do it from there. Wherever you feel like, however you feel like, you can do it from there. That's why feel like, see, I am not saying that trading is the only financial freedom. There are other, like you can open business, you can open startup, you can have a company, you can blah blah blah. There are so many stuff which can add up your passive source of income. But the effortless one, which can actually give you not a few, but a lot of money, because we have seen how a cryptocurrency has grown. We have seen how people are earning money via cryptocurrency, and I've shown you millions of time how an retail investor who doesn't have a huge investment to make can actually make a small investment and earn in lot, but you have to have patience for that. That I have also told you. Okay, so there are no such things called as one second. Okay. Cool. So all of this stuff, like about financial freedom, trading can help you in achieving that one without having a lot of efforts to put in that job, other than getting a knowledge. Because trading is one of those things which doesn't require a manpower but a brain power a lot. You have to be attentive, you have to have and patience, you have to have a strong psychology, you have to have a knowledge and understanding regarding the market, how a people psychology works, how a people try to make a trade, how the market is trying to move, how the market is trying to make me trap in the liquidity, which happened yesterday. If I give you example of the liquidity trap which happened yesterday. Yesterday in the Ethereum, we saw a bullish pennant chart pattern. Okay. Now a bullish pattern chart pattern is actually a continuous chart pattern which will give you a continuous growth, which means from uptrend to uptrend it will give you. But it didn't happen like that yesterday. Yesterday, when the chart pattern, I identified the chart pattern, I said let's wait for the breakout. I was hoping that breakout could happen over here, but first, what market did? First, market gave you breakout down. Can you see this longer lower wick? That was the first breakout the market gave us. And I told you at that point, do not enter at this like short sell side because of that this pattern is a bullish pattern, not a bearish pattern. Okay. It gave you this, and then from there we saw peak rejection. Peak rejection we saw went up, went up, went up, went up, went up, went up, went up straight, and it gave you breakout above. That was the signal for a lot of people to go for buy side, and this would have been this that the many people must have kept the stop loss at this point because that was the peak rejection time. That means what? That a lot of people went for, like a few people went for a sell side here, but due to a lot of buyers entering at that point which they didn't want the Ethereum to go up. Now this a lot of peak rejection from where this point to this point the market came. It can be due to a big player, it can be due to the market itself, but it won't be due to the retailers. I don't believe the retailers might have just entered at that moment at the breakout for buy side. Okay, some people may have thought it that this have been like I got a breakout down and this must be just the liquidity trap the people are fooling and it will give you eventually an upside. But at that point a lot of people over here must have did a buy because they bought it in a cheap price. This can be the one scenario. Other scenario is that market tricked us. Market tricked us in a way that they thought that it can be a short sell side. You enter at that moment and then they showed us a very huge rejections from the market, very huge rejections from the market. They showed us a very huge rejection in the market, and from there most of the people, when they saw a lot of good rejection is coming and they gave you breakout as well, went for buy situation when the market tricked them. This is chart pattern went wrong is nothing other than liquidity trap from the people. Liquidity trap comes from a lot of different places. It can come from the candles, it can come from this like support line, it can come from the resistance line, it can come from the range trading, it can come from the chart pattern going wrong, it can come from the candles, which is like whenever you see the rejection, peak rejection, like long lower candles, lower wicks of the long candles, very long. That means either the market fooled us to believing that a lot of buying movement came in the market, or it can be other scenario. Okay, now once the market touched over here and then again it started falling, a lot of people thought that it could go up, that this is an indecision candle and it will go up from there, but the whole market fall down almost. What was the percentage of the market fall down? 5.29%, almost 5 like 5, yeah, almost 5, no, 5.29% the market fall down. This was an effect of the liquidity trap where a lot of people must have lost their money over here believing that it was a bullish pennant. And see, such kind of situation, that this is that's why the quote was made for the market, that market is a very unpredictable place. You cannot predict the market 100%. Yesterday we saw the bullish pennant. It gave you breakout down, but I didn't enter at that moment. I thought that it's a bullish one, so it will give you the technical thing which told us that bullish pennant will always give you a breakout above to continue its trend. So in that situation we waited, but market grabbed that movement to trap a lot of people in their liquidity trap and then gave us a very downside. There is a news regarding this as well, why Ethereum actually had a lot of this like a downfall when a lot of ETFs are going to buy. We were reaching an all-time high to all-time high situation. We were about to make a new all-time high. Then why we face a situation? There is a news regarding that as well. I would love to read it to you people. Okay. So the spot Ethereum ETF post outflows after 8 days of 3.7 billion inflow streak. 8 days continuous streak was going on in the Ethereum for inflows. Inflows is basically what? Money putting into the market. Like means you are buying the Ethereum, holding it, buying the Ethereum, holding it. Because spot is that one platform where you cannot have a contract or something. If you bought it, now it depends on you when you want to sell, how you want to sell, how long you want to hold it. It is yours now. Okay, so Ethereum ETF had 8 days of 3.7 billion dollars of inflows in the streak. Okay, now this inflows in the streak we all saw. Because of this, the market of the Ethereum reached 4,000 800, almost, but it didn't close at that moment. It closed at 4,700, almost it closed. Okay, 4,770, very close to 4,800. That we saw with how much money, 3.7 billion took inflows, that to 8 day streak. A lot of people invested in the Ethereum, and then we saw the market reaching to that moment. But after that, on Friday, the US spot Ether ETF, exchange trade fund of Ethereum, saw 59.3 million pulled out, called as outflow. Outflow, see, I will explain you inflow and outflow very quickly and very easily. Inflow, outflow. Okay. Inflow is you giving money to market from the people. It is going to who? Going to the market. Outflow is from market going to the person. That is the difference. Inflow, people giving money to the market to buying anything. Like it can be Ethereum, Bitcoin, blah, 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 blah. And outflow is like when this guy is happy with his satisfied with his happy satisfied with his profit, and he wants that money to be taken out from the market. That's the time when the market gives him the money, because he's asking to give his withdrawal as a profit. That same thing which we saw, a lot of people see now 3.7, 3.7, yeah, 3.7 billion of inflows we saw in the Ethereum. When 3.7 billion we saw on Ethereum, and it reached 4,000. Now, like I told you, in Jan market was almost at 1400 range. 1,400. Just imagine if there were people who were holding the Ethereum spot or whatever from the Jan, and now it has been 6 months, and market made an all-time high of 4,770. Obviously, if there will be always people who are getting satisfied with their XYZ greed, XYZ happiness, XYZ profit, so they will want to take it out. Once the inflow we saw of 3.7 billion, this was not of retailer. This 3.7 billion is obviously of the big player, big industries, wealthiest people, XYZ, who has huge money. But 5.59.3 million was taken out from the Ethereum. Obviously, this money was collective money of all the retailers who thought that now I am satisfied and I want to take my money out with a huge amount of profit. This ended a 8 day streak where investor had been putting money into this ETF. A total of 3.7 billion came during those 8 days. Ethereum inflow, ETF flow, money going in and out of the Ethereum, often seen as a signal of investors' interest, especially from the big institution. When there are a lot of inflows, it often helps to push the price high, which we know. Whenever a huge investment like billions kind of investment comes in the market, obviously we will see the market price will jump up. A sudden outflow could be a sign of that investors are pulling back and taking profit. But I really don't believe that this pull off is of an investor like big player. This is not of an institutional investor. This is just of some retailer who had an old wallet or something. Imagine that he was trading an Ethereum from a way start. Either it can be that, or there will be people who bought the dip of the Jan 2005 drop. There are the two people I believe who took this money out of the market to cause an outflow of the market. But other than this, I really don't feel there are any other people. Okay, now, because Ethereum is very slow in growing a price, that they must have seen, like all the people who are buying the Ethereum from the way back, even it been calling at the number two of the cryptocurrency. We are going from so back long time. Even lot of retailers must be get frustrated, like Bitcoin raising a price, raising the values of in lakhs, in 6 digits, and Ethereum still in 4 digit. That may concern a lot of old wallets, like the people who bought Ethereum in a way back time, that they when they once they saw that yes, The market has reached into that level of 4,600. I want to exit from this market because it is a very, very slow growth in the Ethereum. But it is fine. I really be like, for the people who want a very quick in cash, for them, yes, you have to wait for a long, long time. But for the people who didn't want to wait, they took their money out. 59.3 million is not a very huge amount, like a big player's amount to take it out. A company who is investing in a 8 days, let's say 3.7 billions was invested. I really don't believe that they are willing to take out just 59.3 million out of the spot. So it's not a big player thing. It might be the old wallet, or it can be the retailers, some of retailers who bought the Jan dip. That's my conclusion for it. Ha. Ethereum price context. Ethereum recently came near close to reaching its 2001 all-time high of 4878, 4,878, very close. But it missed by 1.94%, and then it dropped slightly around 4,406 right now we are. Okay. But analysts are saying, Jake, he is a analyst from Sansen. Okay, so the current price rally likely continues with ETF inflows and positive sentiment stays strong. And the other crypto trader, in if weekly inflow keeps going, Ethereum could reach $10,000. But if it keeps in coming, okay, if only. Merlin, the trader, described the recent inflow as an institutional FOMO, fear of missing out, big investors rushing in. Yes, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Like, uh, Bitcoin price has reached six-digit number. Ethereum is in number two. Obviously, we expect an Ethereum to touch this price range from getting from 4 digit to becoming a 6 digit. And that's what a lot of big investors are fearing out. This FOMO is creating by that itself. Like, they may lose a profit, a very good investment in Ethereum, because Ethereum has, like, being a number two, it has a potential to reach 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 60, 70, or even 1 lakh dollar. It has a huge potential for reaching in that level. But when? That is a question, because we have seen Ethereum is very, very, very slow in growing. Very slow. Sentiment analyst platform. Ethereum isn't seeing as much as online hype as Bitcoin, which might be Ether as room to grow more in a short term. A lot of Ether is being unstacked. People are removing it from the long term locking, suggesting that some investors are taking profit. That's what I'm actually telling you. And old wallets are getting opened, and the people who old wallets, and the people who bought the giant dip, those are the people who are actually buying, like selling their Ethereum, because obviously they are retailers. They are satisfied with whatever amount of 59.3 million is a good amount for them. That is a dollar. Okay, so that huge amount is more than enough for those people to enjoy their life or invest in some other thing, rather than being risk, like what if it falls, blah blah blah. Okay, cool. So other market. Okay, a lot of Ether has been unstacked. People are removing it from the long term locking, suggesting that some investors are taking the profit. As long as the 3.88 billion worth of Ethereum is in the line to be withdrawn unstacked. However, analysts like Ignace believes that the strong buying from the Ethereum and the treasury companies is helping observing selling pressure, preventing the price from falling too much. Obviously, they don't want it. They want to invest now. Heavily, people will come to invest in the Ethereum very soon. After 8 days of a big inflows in the Ethereum ETF, there has been a pause of 59 million pulled out. Ethereum came very close to its all-time high but pulled back a little. Analysts are watching ETF flow closely. Analysts are watching the ETF flows closely. Continued inflows could drive Ethereum to a new high. There are profit taking via unstacking, but big institutional people keep buying. It's not institutional people, because institutional people, if they want to take out money, they may take out money in the billions, not in millions. Institutional people have no requirement of 59.3 million. They have no requirement for such small money. They have huge of money, because trading is not their like life. This is their investment. Obviously a people has a separate money for living, for doing stuff and blah blah. Investment money is a different. So that is the explanation for the drop and why the market of this, the bullish pennant went wrong. It can be market trick as well, and it can be retailers pull out as well. It's, we cannot say exactly, but I really believe that old wallet was open. Old wallet was open. I really believe that. Okay, that was for Ethereum. So now this is how you can actually, with the help of news, because as a beginner there are four aspects. As a beginner you have to understand the news, you have to understand the market. Market means market trap, like liquidity concept, liquidity trap, how the market fools people. Because at the very end market doesn't want you to have a profit. Why? Because markets, your profit is market's loss, market loss is your profit. So we both are in like an opposite team. Okay, so never accept that market is yours, you are the market and blah blah blah. You investors and a market is always an opposite team. A market wants to get money from all of you people and keep it stacked in that flow, in that live pool, in that whatever they were storing. They don't want to have an outflow, because that is affecting a price and that is affecting their thing as well. So we are an opposite team. That's why we have to understand the liquidity concept of the market, how they fool us and grab money from us. This chart pattern going wrong is one of those situations. Giving an unnecessary breakout from both the side is creating an uncertainty in the market, and a market can do it. Market has a power, market has those control over the market, so that he can drop and give you a fake breakout and give you another fake breakout and give you a drop. He is capable of doing that. Okay, another thing comes is watching out the big players. Why big players? Because there is, their money is the one which achieve, helps us achieve the all-time high targets, or crossing the all-time high, making the market come from this point to this point. It's only and only and only achieved by big institutional people, big wealthy people, the which we call big players in the market, because they are the one who is investing in a crazy amount, and we have no, one second. Okay. So we have to have a knowledge regarding big player. There are several websites which is tracking the big player, and cryptocurrency offers you a transparency where nothing is hidden from you. With a blockchain system, you can actually track, you can actually know which big player is having what kind of money stacked into his wallet, how much Bitcoin, how much Ethereum, or where he's even investing, what kind of amount he invested in the market. Everything is available on the net. It's just like you have to have a little small effort. Okay. One gmgn.io. This is the website which helps you to track the whales in the market, which you can take help of. And also this website shows you what kind of investment is holding as well, so that you know where he's interested, in what coin he's interested, in what way he's interested in each and every of the stuffs. Other comes, this is the news, market and big player. Then comes the last is technical analysis. They finding out chart patterns and deciding whether to go for buy, sell, and every of those things. And basically technical analysis comes in reading this chart. Whatever is happening, see, this is happening, this is happening, this went here, this went here, this way. It's such an abnormal movement, but it can be read. That is a true fact, that you can understand the market where it is going. And with the technical analysis you can have a sentiment of, you know, what is market sentiment. Market wants to go up, market wants to go down. If market is trying to trick you, if market is going in a sideways, uptrend, downtrend, when it can change, when can I expect a reversal, when can a possible change of a trend can come in the market. All those things can be, like, I won't say 100%, because like I told you, market is an unpredictable place. You cannot achieve 100% prediction. But still, with the technical analysis you can reach up to 70 to 80% of understanding the market, understanding the past, present and present continuous trends, to decide whether how the future looks like, will the market go up, will the market go down, and all those kind of stuff. I need a charger. Just give me 1 minute. I'll bring a charger. Problem is net is not available. Hmm. Always. Right. So these are the four main aspects for all the beginners to understand regarding the market. News helps you getting an awareness regarding what's happening outside the world. Because in the market, sentiment trading also play a role, huge role. Sentiment trading plays a role in such way where I get affected with some news and I really believe that this news is bad for the market, bad for the people. So people will try to save their money if they have invested in some XYZ of the things. That will result in outflow of the market. And there are some news where like such kind of like big player are investing in heavily. Such kind of news also affects the market in a positive note as well, which will have a positive impact, which will have market to think like we are like going good, we are in the way of getting more profit, like because whenever a big player invests, they always get the market price up. Okay, so this kind of news you can get achieved with the help of collecting the news from outside the world and crypto world, not the world, crypto world. Market, understand the liquidity concept. Know this one thing for very, very sure that market is here to fool you. Okay. Market cannot be your friend. At one point, he's gonna bite you like a snake. Market is a snake. Snake is market, market is snake. Big players are a very good friend plus bad friend of yours, because see, good friend in a way that they move the market in a very big huge up or down way. Bad friend in a way that they don't tell us and we can never find out whether they are going to do inflow or whether they're going to do outflow. Same way what happened over here. Okay, cool. And technical analysis, I've already talked about so many stuffs in respect to technical analysis in each and every cases, like understanding candles, chart patterns, and strategies. Each and everything I have explained you in term of technical analysis. And every day I come and I try to do a market analysis, so that you will also get help in knowing what's happening in the market, plus you will also develop that skill. Okay. Cool. Now where did okay. So this is our platform, Zbit platform, which you have to get use of, and I'll tell you why. Zbit is offering you $1,200 worth of new user rewards. $1,200 of new user reward is a crazy amount, because see, we are not offering you a deposit amount so that you can start doing a trading. We are offering you something very huge. We are offering you what? We are offering you a free crypto asset which you can get in hand with a new user reward of a zbit.com. The only thing you need to do is follow simple steps. What are those steps which you need to follow? You need to just go and check out the, one second, I'll share you that link. I'll share you that link, because that link is very, 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 very important. Because that link is offering you a chance of higher rewards. Yes, that's the link. Where is my chat? Okay. I have posted one link on the live comment section. Please make sure that you are watching that thing. I have commented, pasted that link. You just have to do what? You just have to tap on that link and get a download link. You will That will redirect you to the Play Store. We are not available right now for the iOS people, sorry for that, but Android people can help use of it and get the first script. Why you have to have that link? Why? Because as you can see in a free spin over here, we are having 8 different coins. Out of this, 4s are valuable, which is above $1, and 4 are below $1. Now obviously people would want to have a coin which is above $1. You can also see that in that 4 which are valuable above $1, in that 2 are altcoins and 2 are stable coins. Ethereum and Bitcoin are stable coins. Solana and XRP are altcoins. So you have 4 options. But if you want to get yourself in a hand of a stable coin, then that is the link which can help you achieve that thing. This link can help you to have a high opportunity and high chances of getting Bitcoin or getting Solana or getting Ethereum in your hand. And that's not just only thing which I am giving you. There are more thing which is which we are providing to all of you people, and that all those things are, let's discuss slowly by slowly. First is 3 steps you need to complete to gain the 3 rewards from the zbit.com, and those rewards are not small but very huge. You will understand, like we will be giving you a small thing in the first step, and how that small thing will go bigger till you reach the third step. Okay, cool. Now the first step is to register. You have to make sure that you are tapping on that link itself. You are tapping on that link, you are making sure that you are achieving that thing. You are getting downloading from that link itself. After downloading that, then you have to have this thing, that create account. You have to create an account. You have to register yourself. You are like your country code, your email address and password. Why? Because it has to be very safe. This is one of the most valuable uh, stuff, like one of the most valuable item, valuable asset, valuable, whatever you want to call it, because it's a cryptocurrency. It should be a coin, but we are treating it as an asset, like a gold or silver or diamond. So to protect it, obviously put a password, and then you can go and I have read and agree to zip it and then sign up. That's all. That's a first step. That is a first step. It's not a very huge, it's not a very small, but it's a very meaningless first step. But which that first step is offering you what? That first step is offering you the free first ever crypto asset straight from the zip.com. So please get yourself the first ever crypto asset by just completing the first step, that is registration. Create an account and you have a cryptocurrency in your wallet. Now, but I promised you that I'm not just going to give you this, I'm going to give you much more bigger stuff. I'm going to let you and give you an options for growing, keep growing that quantity, because as you can see, we are not giving you like 1 10,000 kind of quantity for meme coins. Yes, for other coins, no. So if you want to have such kind of high quantity, if you want to have a high quantity, then you have to follow the next two steps, because that is what we are offering. We are not going to give you extra coin, but we are going to give you chance so that you can actually uh, increase the quantity, because you know increasing a quantity is going to increase the profit, is going to increase each and every of the stuffs. So for doing that, one situation is increasing a quantity, you have to follow some steps. What are the steps? Let's get into it. First, registration, which you have completed, you got the first reward, done. Second is KYC. Obviously, whenever you are coming to a financial platform, you have to register yourself. You have to register yourself, like not register, you have to verify yourself. Sorry. You have to verify yourself to show us that you are a genuine person, because obviously we don't trust you. We are like, we cannot trust a stranger. If they will scam us, if they will do this, if you are a genuine person, if you are a citizen of some country, you can share the passport and blah blah blah, driving license, whatever document, a legal document, which you can provide to us. That will get yourself verified, and after getting yourself verified, there is a second chance, second reward. That second reward is a double bonus reward. We are offering you a chance to have a double bonus reward, which means that we are giving you opportunity to increase the quantity by twice, like 2x. Why I said a chance over here? Why not everybody will get it? Because it's a 50-50 chances. 50% people will get it, 50% people won't get it. It's an algorithm. Okay. But third reward is bigger than the second, and it is available for each and everybody. Everybody can have and use of the third reward. Okay, so make sure that you are understanding this. Make sure that you are going to have you are going for the second reward. That is just, it's like, these are not even steps, these are minded steps which you need to complete. These are one of those steps which you have to have to complete. You cannot avoid these steps. These are KYC registration are the mandatory steps. In those mandatory steps, we are providing you double bonus reward in the second step. Cool. After that, third step is deposit the amount. Deposit in where? Deposit in your capital account, because obviously trading cannot be achieved by straight into your bank account. You need to deposit some into your capital account. That capital account will be used to take a trade in XYZ, whatever, wherever you want to take a trade, that will be used in that way. Okay. So for that, you need to have a capital account which you will deposit from your bank account or buy anything. Because see, cryptocurrencies are always you uses the USDT. So INR people, the people who are in India, they can do the conversion from INR to USDT, and there is a condition for the deposit. You have to deposit $10 or more than that. If you are not investing $10, not depositing $10 or more, you won't be getting a use of the third reward. But let me just tell you to all Indian brothers and sisters that $10 is nothing other than 900 INR. That is also approximately. If I tell you in a very precise manner, it will be 860, 850, 870 kind of stocks, depending on the exchange rate, whatever exchange rate you will be getting. So it's just 900 INR you have to spend into your from your wallet to get that third reward. That third reward is one of the best reward. Why? Because it is giving you an opportunity not just to increase that quantity by 2 3 4, no, from 5 times to 100 times. That third reward is giving you an option, that the third reward is giving you an offer that you can multiply your this thing quantity 5 times more, 10 times more, 20 times more, 30 times more, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, up to 100 times more. You can increase your quantity just by depositing $10 or more, not less than $10. Okay, if you deposit less than $10, you won't be getting a surprise multiplier. Whatever quantity you will be getting. So for example, let's just imagine that you have Pepe coin is 1000. Okay, we are offering, see, you can see over here where I read from, this is a Pepe, and what is the quantity of Pepe? It's 1000. Okay, so we are giving you 1000 of the Pepe coin. Okay, now just imagine if you got the second reward, that was the double bonus reward by collecting, by doing what, by doing a KYC step. So once you do that KYC step, and once you have completed that KYC step, we will go forward to what? We will go forward to having this 1000 multiplied by 2, which will become 2000. So first step gave you quantity of 1000, second step gave you quantity of, made this 1000 2000. But few people might get it, few people might not get it, it depends. Okay, after that comes the third step. Third step is offering you a surprise multiplier, which is giving you an opportunity to make that thing multiply 5 to 10 to 20 to 30 to 40 to 50 to 60 times better. Okay, so in that situation, what you need to do is, in that situation, that 1000, for the people who don't get the double bonus reward, so I'll take 1000, so that 1000 can become 5000. That is a minimum, that the minimum the least amount of surprise multiplier you can get is 5. So it will be 5000 is the mandatory you will be getting. If you got Pepe 1000 Pepe, you got mandatory 5, you will be getting 5000 coins. If you get 10, it will become 10,000. If you become 20, it will become 20,000, 30,000. You get the maths. Okay, it will be straight multiplied by that. Same can go for the Ethereum, same can go for the Bitcoin, same can go for the Solana. Every step is increasing your quantity, which is increasing your holding of a profit, because with increase of quantity, obviously the price will also increase. With increase of price, you will become happy and you will be having a lot of money. So by miss such opportunity, which is offering you a complete package of not just getting the first crypto asset, but also growing it in every step. Okay, and then having a final amount in your wallet with, I'll tell you this one thing. Cryptocurrency is made for what? It is made for a financial, like it is like currency got freedom basically. Okay, cryptocurrency got invented because of the freedom, because we needed the freedom from who? From the banks, from the government, because they are having a control of the money. They can increase inflation, they can increase whatever they want to, blah 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 kind of stuff. Now this cryptocurrency are not in control of the banks and not in control of the those things, cryptocurrencies, not in control of cryptocurrencies and not in control of yeah. So you will be getting the complete freedom for having that into your wallet. Now you have all the options which you, whatever you want to have. You can hold it for longer period of time. You can, until and unless it increases more value, you can hold it from that till that moment as well. Or you can do is, you can just simply come to any platform. You want to trade those things, you can trade this. You want to exchange it into USDT, you can exchange it into USDT. Whatever you feel like to do, because you will be the owner of that, and you will enjoy the freedom, because that's what the people are offering you: freedom. Cryptocurrency offers you a huge freedom. Hmm. Let's try market analysis, and then we will wait for the, let's do trading today. We'll wait for market to make some movement. Till that point, I will analyze the market of what's happening, what's not happening. We will discuss each and every of those things. Okay. I'll take 15-minute break. We'll come back in 15-minute break. Hello, Gauru Ingle, what's up? Let's get started. What can we see in the market today? Let's start from Bitcoin. See, yesterday we discussed that the whole crypto market, call me a god. I know your name. Do you know what's your name? Your name is Anthony. Okay, so yesterday what we saw in the market was this was a very huge fair value gap which we saw, two fair value gaps, one this, one that. Market tried to first one, two, three time market retested himself. Arey yaar, this mouse, yeah. First, the market retested himself one time here, one time here, one time here. Second time, but it went a little more down to grab the another fair value gap. Okay, so one, two, three was this fair value gap, and this fair value was just one time. Okay, after that, the market jumped up. But as I told you that I can see a very huge fair value gap for above side as well, which is making the market down, which is the red side. Sell side fair value gaps were this. Okay, very huge one. That's why going above was a very dicey moment. Like maybe it can happen, maybe it won't happen. So, and at that point, we saw a little consolidation at the market. Whenever market makes one box, it will give you breakout either up, breakout either down. Most of the side, we were very close to the demand. Now, this is basically our demand zones or a ferrolega, whatever you want to call it. So from that, I hoped that market can go up, but we waited, and you can clearly see from exactly our consolidation phase, from exactly our consolidation box I made over here, we got a breakout for complete downside, and from this fair value gap, market is trying to sustain himself over here. But it can also cause a different scenario, like you can clearly see at this point a bullish, sorry, a bearish rectangle is visible in the market at this point. This is the pole of the market, and this is the flag, but this is a bearish one which can make the market go, yeah, which can make the market go downside. Okay, more downside market maybe we can see expect from BTC. That's what I feel. Like sellers are a little bit active right now, and also it's not an average price of the Bitcoin. Average price of Bitcoin was little down, but we may can see, like I can show you the bearish flag. See, this is how a bearish flag might look like. Pole, and this is our complete flag. Resistance is rising and support is also rising. Okay, same thing which is happening over here. Resistance is rising, support is also rising. We can see it by the two trend line which we have drawn over here. They both are rising, and it looks like a bearish flag. It looks like a bearish flag pattern right over here. Okay, so this bearish flag pattern, we have to hope and we have to wait for market to come down from here and give us a breakout little down, where possibly we can go. See, we can expect the market, one fair value gap is over here, Hmm. Okay. It's mid target and possible the other target is this because of the failure. Okay. This is a possible, but failure was there as well. No, this is the possible target which we can have possible because that's the fair value gap from where the previous fair value gap market came jump, so there are high chances that market may can take a reversal from that fair value gap. So this is our bearish flag pattern. This is my possible outcome, like possible target of the fall. Like if the market falls from here, we can have a possibly market can come up to this point or this point. Okay, because there are two fair value gaps. One is this, one is this. Reversal situation may can happen from that point. So we have to see what we may can expect from the market. Okay. So right now, I really feel that we may can have a breakout. Hmm. Itu मीठा साधन. I just want to check if there is any. Okay. I wanted to check if there is any kind of diversion from the market. No, there are no diversion in the market as well. Cool. Okay. So we'll wait over here. What do we have to wait? Wait for a crossover. Wait for crossover for sell entry. This is a bearish flag pattern. So hungry. तब्बा, तब्बा, ये तुम सा. Hmm. Let's enter. Possibly, I'll keep my this target over here. 744. But if we get in liquidity trap, that is another scenario. But I hope let's not get trapped into the liquidity. I have entered in the market. This is bearish flag. I've entered my target. Target. And that's the entry point, which you can clearly see. Target you can see over here. Entry point is there. Okay, cool. It hasn't crossed yet, but I think it will soon. That's why I entered in the market. Let's hope for the best. Let's hope for the best. Okay, it turned green now. But this is a bench black. Okay, we are going back in the track. Oh, hold up. I got arches evolution. Nice. I have 245 gems. What can I get into 45 gems? Any new emote? I want to have an emote. It's my deck. Okay, that's good. Wow. Wow. Fireball Valley. So much damage. Him. Just because of that one guy. One guy. Okay. 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 Lost. The game is lost. But that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. First game lose. It's fine. I don't have big cards. But jeez. Jeez. Bats at that side. Bats are very good card. I like bats. Like bats works. Electro. Evo Electro Dragon. Our trade is still looking good, good. $52 plus. We are not that much, but $52 also. Arey, why? I could have just done this. Why waste? Why did I waste time, energy? Sarah. Sarah waste. I get it. So, sorry. Hey, wrong. Very wrong. I'll wait. I'll wait. I'll wait. My tower. I'll wait. Tower. I'll wait. My tower. But it took so much damage, bro. One electro. Right, right, right. Let's go Evo. Wow, that thing is gone in a minute. I done it. I should have waited. Right. Now he uses arrow. The beast guy. Nice emote. Nice. I like it. I like it. Let's go. The real match will start now. Okay. Maham, 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 maham. Check it out. Bye, bye. Yay. Yay. That is such an annoying, irritating emote. I have to have a big guns, big guns. I don't have a big guns. One big guns. Oh my shit. I don't have a big guns. I don't have a big guns. That's wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong. I'm about to lose the first game. I feel I don't have a big gun. Oh, you have the have to save my muscle anyhow. In any scenario, I have to save my muscle. I cannot let my muscle die. I cannot let my muscle die. I cannot let my muscle die. Yes, I have to save my muscle. Oh, I have this as well. Okay, well then that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. I thought I didn't have this. That's fine. What you used for my beta, mini beta? I didn't saw. I didn't saw. I didn't saw. Somehow. Okay, okay. Mm, 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 mm. One hit was expected from you, girl. Check it out. I don't have anything. Don't. Where is my muskie? Why my muskie is not in the cycle? Wow. Wow. That was wow. That was actually very wow. Wow moment. What he used for what he used for better? This really? Check it out. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Okay. Ski. Save that thing. Eliminate that thing. Go for it. Check it out. First win. First win. First win is also always good. Always good. Always good. Always good. First win. I don't. I should have my winning anthem or something like that. Winning anthem is much necessary. Winning anthem should be there. You keep it. I don't like her. I don't like her at all. I don't like her. Ah, so much wasted. So much wasted. I can, I can. Fast. I can handle. I can. I can handle. I handled it. Easy peasy. I handled it. It was sort of tough to handle, but I handled it. Nice. I don't like that. 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 Come on, two to three hits is necessary. 2 to 3 hits is necessary. 2 to 3 hits is always necessary. Check it out. Fast, 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 fast. Array. He has that thing. I have to take a new tower now. I have to take a new tower. Taking a new tower is very hard job. At least one. Let's go. Let's go. Apple, apple, red, red, apple, very, very sweet apple, 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 red, red, apple, very, very sweet apple. Let's go, let's go, let's go here, let's go there, let's go here, let's go there, let's go here, let's go there, let's go here, let's go here, let's go here, let's go here. Attack! Good attack, good attack, good attack. Good attack, guys, good attack, good attack. Good attack. That's actually very good attack. Good attack, good attack. Good attack, good attack. Good, good, good. Kill, kill, kill. Kill, kill, kill. Poison, poison. I have poison. Poison. I have time for poison. Time for poisons. I have time for poisons. Okay, this over here. Arya, he can win by that situation. I don't want him to win by that situation. I'll go from here now. It's irritating me. Irritating. Let's come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Fireball value. Let's go, let's go for it, go for it, go for it, go for it. Shit. Shit! A little late. A little late. Little. Very, very little late. Green girl. Da, 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 da. Oh, no, no, no. Mhm. Oh, no. Let's go. Game number 3. One win he has, one win I have. One win he has, one win I have. Okay, 1-1 win going on here. 1-1 win, 1-1 win. One win he, one win me, one win he, one win me. La 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 la. Check it out. Okay, right here. Too much game, too much game, too much people game. Situation utilization. Come on, fast. To find my own way, to find my way. I don't have anything to find my way. What is the point here? Late. Wow, I'm late. Not going anywhere, not going anywhere. Check it out. Let's go for it, let's go for it, let's go for it, let's go for it. Let's go. And that's a win. That's a win. That's a win. That's a win. Win. 2 wins, 1 lose. Let's go. Inferno is a good tower. I like Inferno. Not all the time, but yes, Inferno is a good tower. Prince, obviously. Yeah, now it's a heavy deck. 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 It's a heavy deck. I have to sustain him until this 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I will have a chance. After 3 minutes, I will have a chance. After 3 minutes, I will have a chance. After 3 minutes, not now, not now, not now. After 3 minutes, 3 minutes, after 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I will have a chance. I will have a chance after 3 minutes. And boom! Boom, bombastic. Mr. Lowa Lowa. Mr. Lowa Lowa. Diego, ¿dónde está Mr. Bombastic? Fantastic. Oh my, tell me fantastic. Oh, he killed, he killed, he killed, he killed. Hmm, happy. Mr. Mr. Bombastic. Mr. Bombastic. Tell me fantastic. Let's see what we can do over here. Let's see. Let's see. I think this. I think this. Yes. Tanks are much more needed. Tanks are always in the need. Troops. This. Exit. Let's go for exit. Rush. He wants to do rush. Rush full event. He wants to play. Rush. He wants to play rush. Rush. Fine by me. Fine by me. If he wants to play rush, fine by me. 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 Wait, not now. Not now. Not now. Not now. Not now. Not now. Ciao. Ciao. Small damage he wants to acquire. Small damage. Small damage is hoping to get. Small damage. Nice. I like it. I like it. Like it. Have. Small damage. Have small damage. Student fine by me. Are mother witch. Mother witch, you didn't have to go for that side. Okay. Now things will be coming over here. I expected a little other stuff, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It is fine. It's not fine. No, it's not fine. It's not fine now. No, it is not. Let's go. Let's go here. Let's go this over here. Let's go this over here. Let's do this like this. This in the back. Support. This over here. Okay. Now he wants to win. Ah, okay. Okay. He thinks I'm a loser. Let's give him a moment. He thought he could. He thought he could. All wins, all wins, all wins. Every win is mine. Every. Just one loss, all wins. One loss, all. Nice. That's good. Good. So Termin Mr. Fantastic. Fantastic. Let's go. Valkyrie, and this is enough. Valkyrie on this, Valkyrie on this, Valkyrie on this, Valkyrie on this, Valkyrie on this. Come on, let's go, let's fight hard. Let's fight hard. Let's fight very hard. Very hard. We'll fight 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 very hard. We'll fight. We'll fight. We'll fight. We'll fight. We'll fight. We'll fight. Hard. Ah, shit. Okay. Got it. Not that damage. Not that damage. Thanks over. Let's go. And this. I thought he's gonna go there. I really thought that he's gonna go there. But that's fine. That's fine. Completely fine. Completely fine. Okay, okay. That was enough. That was good. That's good. That's good. That is. Mm, we can do this. I can also do this. Let's go for it. Last match. See, freeze is the one I'm afraid of the most right now. At right now point, that is the one which can cost me the match. Okay, I just don't want to lose with the freeze, because freeze can make me lose the game, which I don't want to. Let's go. Let's go. Attack, 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 attack. I know it's easy. Can't even golem. I don't prefer to win golem. Anthony, this, and let's go by. Let's go by. Let's go by what? What shall I use with this? I love Zappy. Zappy is a very good card. Legit good card. I want to go by this. This. Let's have this time. And cannon or air. I don't have air attack, so I'm going to go for air. Let's go. I dropped it in the starting itself. Let's go. I have something to defend. Okay, I have things to defend. I have things to defend. To worry, because I have to defend. I have things to defend. I have things to defend. To worry, I have things to defend. 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 Let's go. I had things to defend. Fine. At least one hit was. At least one hit was missing. At least one. Any of this. Let's go here. Okay. Let's go by I need this. So here. अरे नहीं 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 रे नहीं. Pulled every. Have to freeze this stuff so that we will have damage. And boom. And that is fine. That is fine. That is totally fine. That's totally fine. Zappies in the back. And this over here. Go, 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 Diego, go. Go, 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 Diego, go. Let's have this on my Twitch. go by boom. Let's go this over here. And this over here. Then this over here. Then this over there. And there. I think we can go. Yes. We definitely can win this matchup. We just have to have patience. That's all is required. Yeah, this heart is the most irritating thing for me right now. Most irritating thing is right now the heart. I have to possibly think a way. I have to possibly think for a way for a heart. Heart should be damaged anyhow. By anyhow me, heart should be damaged. Heart should be damaged by anyhow me. By anyhow. I need heart to go. I need an heart to go. I have this last option. Please. Please. Okay, let's go like this. Let's go over here. You can't pull this out. You can't pull this out. You have to pull this out somehow. No, I cannot do it. Big 2 wins. He had 2 wins. The rest is all my wins. Let's go. Match up. This. I think this. I think this. Fireball. Freeze would have been better, but okay, fine. Fireball I took. I wanna take cannon. This. Let's go. Little elixir was insufficient to a little. Little elixir was insufficient. Almost had it. Almost had it. Almost. Okay. Waiting for 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. That's all I have to wait for. I just want to wait for 30 seconds. He has freeze. I don't know why, but I believe that he has a freeze. Okay. Wow. Wow. Too much damage, too much damage, too much damage, too much damage. Take care, take care, take care. Too much damage. Too much damage. Intake. And that will be take. Whiz. 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 अरे यार, अरे यार. Nah, fine, fine. Yay. Let's go one more matchup. Golem. I want to have a golem deck. Golem Prince deck. That's more better. That sounds good. Hunter. Let's go by Hunter. Hunter Golem deck. Hunter Prince Golem deck. If I drop this right now, it's gonna drop so much. The other side. Ah, I made a mistake. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Should have. I made one mistake, which is costing me this much damage. One mistake I made. I really have taken. I guessed it. Guessed it. I shouldn't have gone for that. That's the only mistake I did. Shouldn't have gone for Prince. Should have gone for this Inferno Tower right here. But that's fine. That is fine. Shit happens. Shit happens. Shit happens. And that shit is fine. Shit is supposed to be happening. Nice. It went outside. Ah, he has guards. I took an early damage which I was not supposed to take. I took an early damage which is costing me this. Early damage was not supposed to be costing. Apple, apple. Okay, this. Mhm. This won't be possible. Okay, fine. I'll take the loss. I'll take the loss. I'll take the loss. My mistake. Very bad there. Very stupid deck. I made. Very stupid game. Not game, sorry. A very stupid deck I made. Zappies. Everybody come here. Everybody follow these steps. Follow these steps. Follow these steps. Follow these steps. Follow this. Arey yaar. Look at those people. Look at those people as well. Hey, don't move. Don't move. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Hey, okay. That's fine. That's fine. Why this many people came? Too much attack. 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 I should have dropped it. Still don't want to drop it. That's gonna cost me. This is what I do. This is what I do. This is exactly what I do. Just don't use the cards which have stone. I have no idea why. Maybe this can be the game. Maybe this can be the game. Maybe this can be the game. I say to wants to play in that way. Wants to play in that way. Let's throw shits very fast. Very fast. Let's throw things very fast. Very fast. Very fast. Very fast. At least one jump we can get. At least one jump. That one jump is also we are not getting over. One jump I can get through. One jump. Yeah. Through such stupid ships. Such stupid ships. Through such stupid ships. I throw over here. He has other things ready. Yes. I can say. Okay. Everything was in cycle for him. For me, it was not. अरे 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 अच्छा I entered in a match. I entered in a match with the I didn't wanted to enter. Fast, 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 fast. Come on, kill fast. Wrong match I entered. Wrong match I entered. I entered wrong. Okay, we'll play now. Seriously, seriously, we'll play seriously. Mhm. Okay, okay, okay. Mhm, mhm, mhm. Last this. Okay, let's go. Let's go. You will see the game now. Interested in this. Interested in this. I'm more interested in this. More interested in this. More interested in this. More interested in this. This is what I. This is what I. This is. Let's go. I don't have to do much now. I don't have to do much now. Ah, he killed. He killed. He killed. She killed. Sorry, not he. She killed. I'm waiting for Pekka. I know he has Pekka somewhere. I'm just waiting for Pekka. I can throw this. Boom. I have this as well. So yes. Nobody's losing over here. The loser is Gaurav for very, very sure. But I have to start losing shits fast, fast, fast. There's just 1 minute time is left. Just 1 minute time is left to start using things fast. Very fast, very fast, 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 faster than ever. Faster than ever. I have to use things faster than ever. Okay. This over here. This over here. This over here. Boom! Back in cycle. Back in Chicago, I see. Okay. Okay. On a very thin ice, I am. On a very thin ice. I wait to take action. That's my mistake. That's my mistake. Let's show from here. Let's show from here. Don't wait to take action. Heavy and light. Heavy and light. I have to keep it. Heavy and light. Heavy and light at the same point. Heavy and the light at the same point. Heavy and the light at the same point. This is iron. That's nice. I can shake I see Okay, let's go. Go. I see. He has something to defend. That's not a good thing that he has something to do. You know, I'm in a situation. I'll probably put it here in the middle so that anything from there can attack. Are why bro 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 that's sick. That's sick. That's exact what a sick means. That's exactly a sick. It's sick. It's sick. This thing shouldn't have happened at all. And this is sick. Right here. This is very sick situation. Very sick situation. Obviously, I'll go for this. I'll go for this. I'll go for this. I'll go. What? Ah, what? That girl is healing them so much. So much healed. Yeah, actually, I made it. For that, I should have gone for that and then should have gone for that. My mistake. Back in Chicago. Okay. 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 Back in Chicago, I see you in love. Oh, I had poison, though. I should have used poison. Shame on me. I had poison to use poison. That bitch went. Wow, that bitch just went. Such a she went. Mhm, 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 mhm. Let's go. Definitely, definitely. Definitely. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Dun, 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 dun. When I'm gonna win, bro? It has been a series of just losing, and just losing. Why? I don't know, but I took it. चलो मोड़ दे उसका यार. Let's go for this. The Goblin Giant. Oh, yes, this giant. Okay, let's see what we can do. Oh, yes, that as well. So much stuff. Oh my that. Good. Fine. More to go. Four big matches to go. Hmm, this, 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 something to pull, and this. That's it. That's all I need. That's all I need. That's all I need. And this. Wow. Fast. Don't fast. Fast, 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 fast. Wait this much. Arey yaar, why he moved? Why the he moved? Continuous attack. I need a continuous attack. Continuous ones without any worry, without any care kind of attack. Continuous attacks. Ah, why? Why? I didn't even pay attention to the side. Nice. 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 Didn't even pay the attention in this. Nice. Should have paid attention to this. Oh, I'm taking general India. Okay. We still haven't got the breakout. How long should we wait for the market to keep us? Charging. When are we gonna have? This is how much patience you have to keep in the market. Cool. Till this moment, it didn't happen. Probably it will happen afterwards. So I'll take a leave. I'll see you tomorrow. We'll see if it actually made our target or not. And I believe it will be tomorrow. Okay. So do not forget this one very specific thing. Download the app with my link, and also follow all of our handles: Instagram, Twitter, Telegram. Telegram, especially because Telegram we give an update even after the live stream. I am active over there, so you can come, you can ask anything whenever you want. Okay, cool. Bye bye.